The Vale School Trips programme is an opportunity for venues that maybe perhaps haven't offered school trips before for various reasons. They might not have understood the implications of it, what they might need to do in terms of risk assessments and promotion. So there's a lot of work that's been done with them in how they can actively encourage visits from schools to each of their venues.
In the Vale of Glamorgan there are various things offered for school visits, from coming to the beach, churches, country parks. All of them offer their own unique visit experience for the schools. Country parks offer various activities, pond dipping, bug hunting, den building.
Today we've been looking at the history of St Cadoc's and the amazing restoration they've been doing to the paintings that they uncovered only 12 years ago. Yeah, the children have loved it, haven't you? Yeah. Ian has been outstanding by giving us the history and the background to the church.
My favourite part was when we got to see all of, I like the painting of St George and the dragon because I like the dragons. I found it really interesting.
When we arrived, we were taken over to the woodland over there, and we'd done a little bit of bug hunting. The children were running through the grass looking for different bugs. We then went to look at the ponds, and the children then had their own nets and they were able to fish for different fish that's in the pond.
Well, we've come to do a bit of rock pooling, find out a little bit about the area where they're looking for creatures living in the rock pools at the moment, so it's just part of our science work on habitats. Well, we're lucky enough to come because we were chosen from a Facebook competition. Lots of our parents nominated our school to win, and then we were offered the opportunity to come.
I definitely would recommend this project to any of the schools out there, just to click onto the website and see what's available in our vicinity.
I would recommend it, yes, definitely. You can just see by the children's experience that they've had here, they've had so much goodness out of it. There's only so much they can learn in the classroom, just to experience for themselves, yes. Really would recommend it.